how to fix your story upload failed on Instagram. So if you want to fix your Instagram story stuck or your story has upload failed, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store, go with your search, and here you need to search for Instagram. After searching for your Instagram, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. After updating, tap on open. And once you tap on open, now you can try to upload your story and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then you'll find your Instagram application. Just simply search for it and then tap and hold on to your Instagram. Go with your app info. Just wait for a few seconds till it loads and then go with storage and cache. From here, you need to go with the right side, which has clear cache option. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Instagram, go with your profile and report your problem to Instagram. Scroll all the way down, go with help, and then tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem without shaking. Tap on don't include and briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can also upload some screenshots as well and then go with send, which will be in the top. And your problem might be fixed. That's how you can fix your story upload failed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.